Thousands of people from across the country descended on Ventersdorp for the funeral of the late AVP leader Eugene de Blanche. The funeral began with singing of the old national anthem.
Ek is hier uit respek vir nog 'n boerseun.
According to me, he was a very kind-hearted person. I mean, yes, I respect him for the fact that he stood up for his beliefs, that I think more people should actually do, and but a very generous person. He wasn't this, what normally is being pretended to be, this hard, just want to hit and stuff like that. Nothing at all like that.
Hy is 'n goeie mens gewees. Hy het gestaan waarvoor hy gepraat het. Hy het saam met sy mense gestaan.
I think that most of the people are here just to make a point, to say, listen, it's been enough.
After the funeral service, the procession headed to the farm where de Blanche was murdered for the final burial service.